Whether or not you agree with my politics or my positions on various issues, I think fairness is truly for everyone. And I hope to teach. Of course, I obviously do have my own political beliefs. You probably sensed them if you've listened to the Sunlight podcast. But I definitely care about presenting things fairly and even-handedly and giving credit where credit is truly due. Because, you know, taxes are for everyone, regardless of what side you're on, regardless of your political affiliations. So I'm really agnostic about what you choose as your issue, what you want to organize around. But I do think it's really important and meaningful when people who really give a shit, people like you, knock on doors, have meetings, organize meetings with their neighbors, and get involved in making the changes you want to see in this world, whether it's a speed bump on your road, whether it is a stronger public education system, whether it's the school board, issues at the school board level, whether it's affordable housing, which is generally a local and city level issue. I think these things are really important, but you get to choose. That is your choice.